This way.
Are you flexible at all on pricing or no? Not really.
Yes. It's here. How much would you think?
I was thinking like $5 a piece.
5?
So I'd take them both for 10. Morning, how are you?
Good morning, how are you?
Good. Oops, sorry. Got all his shoes all sorted. This is cool. Nice. You said $2 on the clothes?
Yes. Clothes are $2.
Ghost.
No, 15. Sorry. Hey, can you hold this?
Good. Where'd Elijah go?
Car and 11.
Did he really? He's cuckoo.
2014. Let me check with you. Oh, yes. I was 4. We went 2 years after.
Oh, to Disney? Yeah. Jay Stewart. These are Elmer's.
No, I need this then this because this is 7. I need only 15.
Girlish bagel. I don't know. She has all good clothes.
We have a lot of kids' clothes.
Anna, you want any kids' clothes?
Grandma would like this.
This is 17. 7.
Yeah, I know. It's cool, right?
20 minus
Yeah.
is 13.
I'm gonna buy all this.
So I have 5, 6, 7,
Hi.
How are you?
Good. 11, 12.
Can you accept money too?
Thank you so
Oh,
much.
yeah, sure. Thank you.
This is 16 worth. Would you take 15? If I get all this?
Sound okay with you?
$1 off?
Sure. Is that okay with you,
I'm fine.
1, 2, 3,
Oh, this was the only one that was a little bit more expensive.
Oh, how much was that one?
This is the
yeah, it was brand new. It was only
Okay.
at $5. But
everything else is $2.
Oh, okay, so 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Is that right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No, 14. And then that for 5. So, we take 17?
Sure.
Yeah, I like that Disney thing. Cool, here's 17.
Thank you.
Thank you. You guys want your hangers or?
No, you're fine.
Okay, cool.
We have
Thank you. Good luck with your sale.
Thanks.
Maps.
Thank you.
Got nice out.
Oh, this cookie's so good.
The cookie's good? Nice. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. Brown dishes. Nutcracker.
Yeah, where's Ian? Is he in the truck?
How much are your maps?
Oh, we're neighbors. This is not our house.
Whose house is it?
Guys, how much are the maps?
How much are the maps? Any idea?
No, they should have first aid.
In it?
Okay.
Why doesn't somebody go ask Jerry how much the maps are? We're still learning.
Can I go to the car?
Go over to Jerry.
Come on, Anna.
Jerry, how much are the maps? The maps? Oh, how much this man would like to know how much the maps,
maps?
are.
The maps are looking for a good home.
So that's free.
Yes.
I'll take them.
Oh, you got them. It's one of those things that
Yeah.
those of us that love maps,
Yeah, I like old
up
maps.
and you study them, and then
Yeah.
you go someplace and you realize that maybe they don't know how to tell you to go anymore.
Yeah, exactly. Cool. Nice. Thank you, man.
Well, I'm glad they found a home.
Yeah.
My friend collected them.
Yeah, I have a pretty big collection already.
Are they worth anything?
Not really.
The
It
thing
depends
is,
if.
what happens is that I have no idea other than, if
Yeah.
I was going to Chicago tomorrow, it'd be handy. But
Yeah.
everybody's in the phones now, and I'm sort of.
I know, but
Me
you know what?
too.
Sometimes you get your Google stops working, and it might be nice to have.
Yeah.
But I
Sounds
remember
cool.
I used to get to sit in the front seat because I could read a map. That's,
You know,
I was our family's GPS.
So neat.
my wife can read the map upside down.
Really?
And you're going, and, I used to have to get it pointed the right direction. In fact, I have to do the same thing with
This is good.
I couldn't find my way around Terry till I got him rotated.
Thank you, sir.
Hey, thanks for stopping.
Yeah.
How are you?
Good. They must have seen something they liked. Oh, that's for a Build-A-Bear, isn't it?
Yes.
They spotted it right away.
Flamingo. It's a flamingo.
They're hyper. They're very hyper.
That's okay. So am I.
At the last sale, she bought all the cookies the girl was selling, and she's been eating them non-stop.
Hey.
It's cool.
The clothes are mainly boys' clothes, 10 to 12, and then I have some 14, 16.
Elijah, they might have clothes you like. You're 10 to 12. Nearing 13.
No, he's not really anymore. He's too big now.
Too big for 10 to 12?
No, not. Yes, yeah, you're getting 14.
How much are your DVDs?
$1? That's for the sun. That's what makes them wiggle,
Yeah,
is
but-
the sun.
This fun. Fine, Anna. There you go.
I'll take 5 of your DVDs.
Oh, okay. Do you want a bag?
Chihuahua.
Sure.
Chihuahua.
Take all the scary ones.
Now Paul Bananas has the car.
Oh, it's a little sticky.
Paul Bananas has
Guess I should make sure they're in there. You bundle those together though. Sell them as a lot of scary.
How much is that?
$3. Because that's an expensive car if you were to go to Build-A-Bear and buy it.
Yeah, we had one and I wasn't.
I don't know what happened to it.
Instead of getting a car, I got like a bed there.
Yeah.
They're pretty expensive. Highlights. 2014. Not old enough. Anna, they got a Beanie Baby.
Please don't.
Well, it's not a real Beanie Baby, but
Yeah.
she likes a little beanie. You have a
I'll
5?
give you change. I'll give you change, $2.
Dad, this is our last yard sale, so even if I'm broke, then.
This is cool.
Should we get this to try to scare Callie?
No, you shouldn't threaten your sister with a fake knife. Lego Nexo Knights.
Here you are.
Halloween costume.
Brandon Halloween costume.
And I have a couple
Good night, Eli.
$1.
I was gonna go to the car and I said, Anna, I'm going to bed.
How much is this?
Eli's going to bed.
How much is this?
I'll do $1 on that too.
Okay.
And Darth Vader is in that bag.
Ooh, is this a Beanie
Oh, really?
Baby tree?
So yeah.
No, it's
there's-
not a Beanie Baby
There's
tree.
Flash there and Darth Vader is in here.
Oh, okay.
So
Yeah. Okay, I'll deal with that in a minute.
yep,
How much is your inflatable Mickey?
$3 for that.
3?
Because it
Yeah, I'll
works.
do 3. I'll do 3.
And I paid $25 for it.
Yeah. No, those are cool.
Yes.
I'll
And
grab it.
everything is in here. The steaks are in here.
Okay,
Everything
perfect.
is in there.
I'll be glad I did come winter time. So,
What's this?
Because I always kept it on the porch.
yeah.
Soda.
A bathrobe.
Oh, this is a cute pillow.
Tigger the
Not Tigger the Pooh.
fancy poo.
It's cute. She got a lot of Tigger stuff, Anna.
Yeah. My ex-husband.
Ooh.
Yeah.
I like this one. Okay. I like this one. Just feel it.
It depends which ones you want.
Feel
Okay.
it.
I'll do.
I
I
see
can
it.
Oh, yeah,
do
that's cool.
anything up
Very cool. Surprised you got Minecraft sword, huh? I don't think it's really Minecraft though. I want to buy it anyways. How much is your little sword? That sword there.
You can have it
Cool. That's a
with
belt.
everything else that you bought.
Cool, thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, have a good one. Morning. Hi. How are you? Great, how are you? Good. Spoons. You get the hiccups? She has this much left at the end of the day. She must not negotiate. All right.
Is there a place that you suggest if you've gone here? I've never gone. My daughter was in the Navy. Well, my husband still is. She left too much. My husband's gone, and I'm
Your money.
okay. My brother lives in Seattle.
Get the hiccups. Anna, don't break it, baby.
I'm too late.
It's 60 bucks. You do not have that much money.
Well, everyone else is East Coast. He's the only West Coast person. We're like, you want sun? You're coming. This way.
Are you flexible at all on pricing or no? Not really.
Yes, it's here. How much were you thinking?
I was thinking like $5 a piece. So I'd take them both for 10.
Sure, I can do $5 a piece.
Cool. They're really cool.
They're $100 a piece. But I'm at
Probably
the
back
point
in the
where I got
day,
no
yeah.
of it.
Yeah. All right, thank y'all.
I'll have to actually look that one up. Those cottages, so. Yeah.
Hey guys, how are you? I hope you enjoyed those yard sales. Thank you for watching. We'll go over really quickly what I got. I got a bunch of clothing. I do not do a bunch of clothing resale, but they looked very nice. They looked like stuff my wife would buy, like this nice jacket. But I don't know anything about the brand names or anything, so I just grabbed them. Like, after listing these and looking through them, I've decided most of these might be like from Korea. I don't know if they're knockoff brands or Korean brands, but as I looked into them, I couldn't really find a brand called List, L-I-S-T, in the US, but I thought I saw one in Korea. So I don't know. Like this ghost thing, I think this could be a knockoff because like, oops, just dropped it. When I look at the tags, hold on, they're like all in a different language. There's no like English tags, but that's like the UK symbol. The UK speaks English, so I don't know. I don't know anything about clothes. I listed them all, random prices, like 20 bucks for a lot of them. We'll see if they sell. I mean, some of them have good style, so maybe if someone just likes the style, they won't care about the brand and they'll buy it. I don't know. It was a little risky what I did there, but it was so cheap. I'm gonna make my money back on that Mickey Mouse vest. There's several sold comps on it for like 18 bucks and 18, I think 16 is what I paid. So I'm not losing money. It helps me learn more about clothing, and like I said, this one will pay for it all. It's a with tags Mickey vest. So yeah, not a loss, but interesting for sure. Then I went to a sale where I was discouraged by the pricing, and I didn't make any offers, and I didn't really get anything good. I got one thing. I got a box of maps, which is up there, top shelf there. And those maps can be worth something. You know, the way I'm going to deal with them is I took them all, laid them all out. It's 101 maps. Some of them are from last year. Some of them are from 1960. So maybe 68 was the oldest. So it's a random allotment of maps. I put an auction up on eBay with a really high starting price, $39.99, just to see if they sell. We'll see. By the time this goes live, it'll probably be over, that auction. So if I still have a bunch of maps in my store, it means I relisted it a couple times or once, and they haven't sold. So that's kind of a gamble. They were free. I figured try them, see how it goes, some ephemera, as it were. But when I got that home, I noticed it had a price on it. I think it was like $5 or $10 on the map box, and he just said, oh, you can have it for free. So it made me realize that all the other stuff that he had really high pricing on, he probably would have negotiated if I just asked. And I didn't ask, so I probably missed out on a lot of good deals there. Like, he had the baseball bats with $15 price tags. I'm guessing he would have taken a lot less, in which case I probably would have bought them. Then I went to another sale where I got some DVDs, a costume. I think it was like a Lego costume and a little foam sword. Foam sword wasn't in good shape. It's right here. I haven't looked it up yet. Some of these foam swords can be worth good money. I don't know if this one is. Like I said, the condition's not great. But I grabbed it. It was free. So I was going to pay $1 for it. I was willing to pay $1, but she said free. So I took it. There was like really cool stuffed bird with the long legs. I can't remember what kind of bird that is. That I kind of wish I had bought. And I haven't even like looked it up or anything. I just like, as I was watching my footage back, I was like, why didn't I buy that stuffed animal? I think it's really cool. I don't know if it was worth money, but I liked it and I probably could have sold it. So I'm kind of sad I didn't buy that, but that's okay because the last sale was interesting. This was kind of the day of high priced yard sales. Like, it was kind of crazy. This last sale I went to had a ton of really high price stuff. It was like 11 in the morning and she still had a ton left. And when I walked up, I was like, wow, she has a lot left. She must have high prices. I go in there and I see that, yes, she has very high prices on everything. And like a little bag of like $2 was $15, right? And they had no branding on them or anything. Maybe they're worth money, but I don't know. That it seemed high. You know, I was even telling my son, I said, she must not negotiate if she still has this much left. But instead of just giving up, I was like, you know, I really love these little Santas, these stained glass Santas. I know they're worth good money. I'm going to make her an offer and see what she says. And so I offered her $5 a piece, even though she had 12 a piece. That's really low. It was like 60% discount or 65% discount. And she actually took it without much hesitation. So it makes me, you know, it reminds me that it makes sense to negotiate, to at least ask. I know a lot of people don't like doing it. They're uncomfortable asking for a lower price, and I am too. But when I do it, I get better pricing. So I think that's a good life lesson. There's probably a bunch of other stuff that I could have gotten throughout this video if I'd just been willing to ask for the lower price. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe. See you next time.